Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my second day working on my uh, pull system exhaust. Yung ginagawa ko. So after an hour na paglalagare, you know, that's freaking hurt my hand. Kita nyo kung anong nangyari. Shit. But I'm glad that natapos ko rin, guys. Shit. It's too much work, guys. Kung wala kayong patient, just don't do it. Mami-mess up lang kayo. So kailangan nyo maraming patient dito for you to accomplish your project. So now everything is good to go. Ilalagay ko na lang siya dito sa aking R6. Okay guys, like I said na ito na siya. Okay. Wala na yung cut niya, which is that one. Ayun yung napakabigat na things. 10 kilos ito eh. Yung underneath sa ilalim na nito. Kita nyo, yan. Bali extra ko ito eh. So ayan na siya guys. Full system na siya. It's titanium. So wala naman akong perang pambili ng full system na yung buo. Pares din naman to dahil pares siyang butas. But ito kailangan yung trabahuhin, you know, yung drilling, cutting, yung mga yon. That's worth 1,500. But I'm happy na natapos ko na rin. So yan. And I'm also excited kung anong magiging tunog nito. Okay guys, so let's do it guys. Tanggalin na natin itong mga pairings. Alright. system exhaust. So bukas ko na siya test, medyo gabi na uli. Kita nyo alright, peace.